You could replace your concrete instead of using PolyLevel to lift and level it. What does that mean for the planet? When you break that concrete up, it has to go somewhere. That's going to be a landfill. And when you need new concrete to replace the old, that emits carbon into the atmosphere. PolyLevel creates none of that. And you'll be happy to know that it has been ANSI-certified. That's the American National Standards Institute. And what did it tell us? PolyLevel does not leach into the soil. It will have no effect on drinking water systems, and it is safe for the environment. PolyLevel. If environmental concerns are at the top of your list like they are ours, then give us a call today. Let's lift and level your concrete, not replace it.